Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to print any sentence in C language. So firstly create a new folder. So I've already created it, and now you have to open it with VS Code. So if you don't know how to install GCC and other things in your Windows operating system, you could comment and tell me so that I could make another video. Otherwise you can get thousands of video on YouTube. So let me close this file, and now I'll create a new file. I'll name this hello.c. Now you have to also install an extension which is called C/C++. So you will get it, so you can install it. It will be officially from Microsoft. It will look like this. So you have to install it. Okay, so after that I will zoom it for you. Now in your file you have to write main. So you will get a code snippet. Just hit enter and remove this comment with this code. So you can see this line, just remove this, and now write printf hello world in /n and end this with a semicolon. So printf is a function in C, and under this parenthesis we are going to write hello world with /n. So /n just prints it in a new line, and this is the ending. This is for ending this semicolon. And now we are going to import our stdio.header file. So #include stdio.h, and now save this. Now we are including this stdio.header file from this GCC, and here we are gonna make a function int main. Okay, so you can also remove this thing. You can see this is of no use. Actually it's of use, but I will tell you what is its use in later on in our videos. So for now we are removing it, and so now you could see return 0. So if everything was right, there are no errors, this will return 0. So int will return 0. Okay, so now we are gonna go to our terminal. Firstly save it using Ctrl S. We are gonna create a new terminal. So write gcc hello.c, and you will see a.exe file is created. /a.exe. You have to type this line, and now hello world will be printed.